Is your iPhone slow and apps take forever to open? Before taking it in for repair or buying a new one, try these 4 steps. In most cases, they're enough to get it running fast again. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. The first thing nobody ever does. Fully turn your iPhone off and back on. Not just sleep, a real restart. This clears the RAM and kills all stuck background processes. Make it a weekly habit. Step 2. Free up storage space. Below 2 gigabytes free, your iPhone slows down noticeably. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Delete apps you never use. Empty the recently deleted folder in Photos and enable iCloud Photos to move images to the cloud and free up space. Step 3. Turn off background app refresh. Apps refresh silently and eat up your processor. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Set it to Wi-Fi only or turn it off completely. You will gain both speed and battery life. Step 4. Update iOS. New versions often include speed improvements. First, back up to iCloud just to be safe. Then go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest available update. Apple regularly fixes performance issues with updates. Did your iPhone speed back up? Let me know in the comments which step helped. Subscribe to Tatos for more iPhone tips.